This is just paint protection. I think it's that wax stuff. Protect it from all the rust. Factory floor mats. Ooh, a little dusty for me getting in and out. Nice storage, hidden cup holders. Let's start her up. Some additional controls on the steering wheel. Navigation. Reverse. Nice camera too. Oh, park. Nice. Sunglasses, garage door openers, OnStar, interior lighting. Let's see, vanity glass. Let's see. Oh, can't forget the giant sunroof. Pristine leather seats. Oh, I started it. You can barely hear it running, but let's go take a look at the motor. Nice and easy. Purrs like a kitten. More paint protection, I believe. 3.6 liter V6. Add this at the end of the video. The heated steering wheel, man, that is amazing, especially in Rochester where it's freezing a good portion of the year. Wow. Totally wild. Highly recommend the heated seats and the heated steering wheel. It's perfect.